fucking stop?
What?
In the room with a spotlight, lights, camera, action, film it, cause she's so tight. Outfit lit, gotta get my scene card. Rolling with the full friends, rated 5 stars. Confident, swagged out, she be holding it down, no doubt. Hustling on her own, and for that I call her grown and confident.
So I literally have not even 2 minutes. I'm gonna change quick. I'm gonna get Ratchet. I'm doing the acting Ratchet, but I'm gonna do Toronto edition. I'm gonna do it on my dad. So I brought my bonnet. I'm gonna put it on. He's gonna cuss my ass out. I'm gonna see what I can do. The windows are tinted, thank God. I brought my pajama pants. Literally brought a bag. The acting. So I'm doing that. Oh shit, he's coming. Oh no, he's not him. Thank God there's a lineup. Okay, I gotta change my earrings. I'm doing the acting Ratchet challenge. Shit, fuck. I brought my ghetto earrings, my ghetto necklace. Oh shit, he's here. So we just gotta do it, y'all.
Vanna, no sale.
Wow.
Nothing.
Waste.
Those stars don't sell anymore.
So what? They didn't give me any shmoney?
Yeah, rip off.
They didn't give me no money?
If I close, I'd rather throw it in the garbage.
The fuck? They didn't give me no money. Turn off this music. You gonna turn this music off?
No. If I was with those guys, I'd rather throw my clothes in the garbage.
So they really didn't give a bitch no money? They really didn't give me no money. They didn't give me no money.
Vanna, relax, man.
I don't understand why they didn't give me no money.
Vanna, relax. What's wrong with you?
Cause the bitch need money. I need food. Like y'all are marved out here. We're marved.
Relax.
What? For what?
Take a pill and chill.
For what?
You gotta be an idiot. Take the camera off. That camera gonna mash up here, I'm telling you. Because I was gonna take some courses before and I couldn't take it that hard.
For what? For what? Let me just get my shit together because I don't understand why they ain't give me no money. I don't understand.
They're a rip-off, I tell you that.
They don't know a bitch is marved out here, bruh.
They are a rip-off.
They don't know a bitch is marved out here, bruh.
Those guys are a rip-off. They're a rip-off.
Understand why they ain't give me no money? What? Where you going? Oh, you gonna go? Okay, yeah, you dropped me off, right?
Shut up.
Why?
Relax.
Why?
Relax.
Why?
No, relax. I'm gonna put you on right here. Relax.
Why you gonna kick me out of the car for? Why?
Vanna, just relax.
Fuck. The fuck.
You're cracking up.
You wish I was cracking up. You wish I was cracking up. I'll show y'all cracking up. I'll leave this in the car. Don't worry about it. Just hold on to the pants for me, and don't make sure Maya don't see it, because that's for her, that's her present. Okay? Hello?
Will you shut up? Look at your lip. That looks ugly. You look like a fucking...
How? What's wrong with my lip?
You know what you look
What's
like?
wrong with my lip?
No, but you don't look like...
What's wrong with my lip?
No, you know what you look like? No, seriously. Wipe it off.
No, I look cute.
No, don't go to the girl house.
I'm going to her house like this, like this.
Vanna, seriously. Seriously. You look like them.
She my bitch. She gonna be like, ow. She my bitch. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. She my bitch. She gonna get it.
Honest to God.
She gonna get it. She gonna get it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
Shut up and listen to me. That thing do not look right.
It's okay, don't worry.
No, it don't look right. You look like...
It's don't worry.
No, but seriously. You hear what I'm saying?
Yes, I heard. It's going to one ear and out the other. I get it.
You look sick, man.
Sick with what? Bad bitch syndrome?
Take a picture
Period.
and let her laugh.
I will. Period.
Well, you don't know nothing about fashion. They'll tell you that.
Me?
No.
The fuck?
You don't know nothing about fashion.
Doggy, who you talking to like that?
No.
Yo, doggy, who are you talking to like that?
You don't,
Who you talking to like that, doggy?
you don't know nothing about fashion. Seriously.
Yo, doggy, who you talking to like that? Who you talking to like that, doggy? I don't get
Yeah,
it.
you alright?
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Hello? Yeah. No, I just dropping off Giovanna. She acting like an idiot.
Hey, ma! What you saying,
Giovanna,
dog?
will you fucking stop?
What?
Will you fucking stop?
What?
What's wrong with you?
What?
This fucking kid acting like you're retarded.
What? I don't. What are you getting so mad for?
Fucking hell.
What are you getting so mad for?
Relax, just relax. Relax.
Okay, wait, come on.
Okay. Fucking hell.
Dad, it's a prank.
I am the one, the way your son don't need.
Why is he so mad? It's a prank. He's really mad, guys. Okay, bye. You guys got me in trouble. Bye. This lipstick's coming off, don't worry, this is ugly. This prank is done. The first half is the funniest part. I got cussed out. Like, cussed the hell out. But thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And this is my acting ratchet prank. Toronto edition, because Toronto girls are just more ratchet than everybody else. Like this lipstick, this is something a real Toronto girl would wear. What you, girl, you know you ain't got no business wearing that. And you wearing that. The hell? Anyways, bye guys, love you. Mwah!
Walk up in the room with a spotlight. Lights, camera, action, film it cause she's so tight. Outfit lit, gotta get my scene card. Rolling with the 4 friends, rated 5 stars. Confident, swagged out. She be holding it down, no doubt. Hustling on her own, and for that I call her grown and confident.